Hello. Today I have a 2012 Toyota Camry, and the customer says that when he turns to left or right, you hearing like clunking noise or weird noise, clicking noise when you turn the steering like that. And the problem is the steering coupler is like this problem usually can see in most of the Hyundai and Kia cars, especially like the Veloster. And the whole problem is this plastic gear, something like that. Here's the part number if you need it. This for the Toyota Camry. Mine is 2012, and I'm sure it's for some other years also. You can get this from Toyota as $5, and it's like $15 on eBay. And you're gonna have to take the whole steering off. It's very easy, and you just gotta disconnect the battery first, and you gotta remove this there's 1, 2, 3, 4 millimeter bolt, or no, it's not holding the steering. And you just gotta disconnect any wire is around it, or any cable is around it, and you're gonna mark the steering over here. Make sure you don't miss it. Just mark it, so when you put it back, you put it in the same position. And here is the motor that have the issue. I have this Phillips screwdriver socket. I got it from Home Depot, like $3-5, something like that. Just wide a little bit, because I don't know what socket is this. Is between 10 and 9, something like that. This is the easiest one you can take it off with. It's like the one you use for the brake rotor when you remove the screwdriver for the brake rotor. So let's remove this. These 3 bolts right here. You're gonna wiggle this until it comes out. You use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver. I think the edge is stuck in under this model. Let me remove this too. I think it's at 12. I don't think you have to remove this one. Let's see. Actually, I've never seen this problem in Camry before. Like I said, it's usually Kia and Hyundai have that problem. What's this stuck in here. I think we got it almost out. Take it this way better. Oh, that's why. I think I have to remove this one first. Off the 10mm bolts. Okay, I think I'm almost there. Okay, so you don't have to take this one off. You have to take the two 12mm bolt and the 10. You don't have to take that one off. Sorry about that. You can see over here all this green plastic thing is already eating. It's done already. So let me show you the new one. A bit different. All the green plastic in the middle is gone. I see some people that just grease it, but just $5, you know, come on, you're not gonna do this so many times. It's only one time and it's good for maybe 100,000 miles or so. Just gonna put this back like that, put everything back on, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.